Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am going to make a calligraphy painting which you can easily recreate yourself. For the background, first I painted the leaves white and pressed them on a black canvas pad. After the first layer, I add a thin layer of blue paint, but you can use any color you like. Then I sprinkled white paint on the canvas to create the effect of starry night. To enhance the composition, I added circles, giving the piece a sense of harmony. In the second layer, I do the same process as in the first. But for the third layer, I decided to use red color instead of blue. Honestly, I was not satisfied with how the red looked on top, so I added the fourth layer. After applying the fourth layer, the composition felt much better and the overall look improved. And one more thing, the colors that I used for this painting is acrylics. After the background done, I use my column for writing the calligraphy. You can use column or a brush, whatever you prefer. Then I applied a gold shimmering color to the word and highlighted it with black to make it pop. If you like this video, share it and subscribe my YouTube channel for the more tutorials. So here is the final look. See you next time.